So which rapid is this? Is this a big one?
It's called Disaster Falls.
Okay.
Yeah.
Up a mountain of a billion years, Ezra will guide us all up there. We'll learn that we are just but a speck of sand. There's no judgment from the seagull above as we stretch up our hands, reaping heaven's love. She's so high above us all. Azad River Flow. Through our lives, it's a choice we make to stand in alive. What tiny piece of pie. We are humankind through the rock of ages, other tribes passing by, ere we lose our moment, sunlight. So clear your mind, amplify your inner strength with echo rhyme. 'Cause love of oneself will keep you afloat. Azad River Flow. Azad River Flow. It's like blind love, putting all your faith in a rubber raft. Apprehension and fear will show no doubt, but believe that love will lift you up and down. At night you're overwhelmed by the millions of stars, like the cupped hands of beauty catching drops of waterfall. Oh, to be held like that, especially when it's cold. Azad River Flow. Disaster falls. What's in the name? We'll get through them just fine. Fowles boys couldn't handle their liquor in '69. There's consequence limiting our footsteps and their trespass. Red to green, last call, this baño to go. One stroke at a time, even in your stillness, absorb this life. Creaming coffee water will start even flow. Azad River Flow. Azad River Flow. Azad River Flow.